What is Yoycol? Well, Yoycol is a top-notch on-demand auto fulfillment service. With 7 years manufacturing experience, we know what we are doing. We pride ourselves on maintaining competitive price, premium quality, and lightning fast fulfillment and shipping speed. With over 1,000 product options ranging from apparels, accessories, to home and living items, you can't run out of products to sell. Simply add text or upload images to design. Have we mentioned that all of our print is doable on every single piece of product on Yoycol? And if you want a real-time process overview and design, Yoycol's got you covered with our 3D mockup generator, which is amazing. And products you created can be synced seamlessly to Shopify, WooCommerce, Etsy, BigCommerce, and Wix stores. So we fulfill, pack, and ship products from our factory straight to a customer's doorstep. And you get to focus on the fun stuff, creating your custom designs, setting on product prices, and marketing your very own brand. No inventory risk, no printing cost, no storage fee, and on top of those, no hassle. Yoycol is incredibly easy to use, and we offer reliable 24/7 customer support. From setup to printing, payment to shipping, we'll be here. Choose Yoycol for a print-on-demand business.